I live alone, so I never open the door at night. But last night, at exactly 3:07 a.m., someone knocked slow 3 times. I stayed in bed, didn't move. Then I checked the doorbell camera. No one was there. The street was empty, completely silent. I laughed it off until my phone buzzed. A notification, motion detected. Front door 0 seconds ago. I froze. I opened the camera again. This time, the video was different. I was standing inside the frame, looking straight at the door from the outside. And just before the recording ended, I saw myself knock again.